Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are previewing the National Floor Plan by Lennar Homes. We are at the place at Corkscrew located in Estero, and you can find the National at many of Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. This home here is over 3,400 square foot, 5 bedrooms, 3 bath. You get a 3-car garage with this home and 3 bathrooms. Let's take a walk inside this beautiful floor plan by Lennar. We head into the entry. Directly to our right, it's going to be a beautiful sitting space here, which obviously you can utilize as a little additional fun room, some extra TV, so on and so forth. And we are going to come across the left side of the home here directly through the dining, and the dining is attached right off the beautiful kitchen here, which is nice and open. At Lennar, you get a full stainless appliance package here at the National. Beautiful flat island, your eating kitchen area here, and this looks over your great room area here. So you've got your dining right there, and this door directly in front of us is your laundry and 3-car garage, which they currently have set up as a model center here from Lennar. That's where the sales offices are. And the National offers a huge lanai space, one of the many floor plans that has this huge under truss space here with Lennar. Tons of room outside here. Now coming back in to the home, directly across the great room area. And this is right where we came in from the front door. Now to our left, you're going to have the first of 5 bedrooms. In this case, I have it set up as an office, but it does have a closet, bifold closet that you can utilize as a bedroom. And then you have your entry out to your pool area. So right here, this is going to be your pool bath. Now in this case, because they have this set up as a sales office, the configuration is a little different, but it will have a shower in here. And you can see exactly what the configuration would be for the bathroom here. So this is your pool bath with access directly to your pool there. Now we're going to take a walk upstairs, and that's where you're going to have the additional bedrooms. Also, the National comes with a loft area and huge bonus room. So let's start over here to the left. As you come up, you've got this nice loft area. Great place to sit down and read a book. And you've got the huge bonus room here with the dual doors, closet, all kinds of different things you can use this bonus room for. Now directly past the bonus room, you've got a linen closet there, another bedroom here with your bifold doors, and just past that you have your guest bath, dual sinks up here with a combination tub shower. Then you have your third guest bedroom here with the bifold doors. And right next to that, you have another bedroom. This is your 4th bedroom here with the bifold doors. And then straight across, you've got your master suite with the dual door entry. Huge master with the king size suite here. Plenty of windows allowing for natural light in this home as well. Then you've got the his and hers closets. And it's awesome master bath where you walk in, you just see your soaking tub right away. You've got the standalone shower in the corner, and then you've got separate sinks and your private commode right there. So this is the National floor plan, folks. You can find this floor plan at many of Lennars' Southwest Florida communities. If you're interested in any of Lennars floor plans, you can reach us by contacting us at all the information you see below. Folks, this is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group. We thank you for watching, and contact us as your Lennar go-to resource. We'll talk to you soon.